Are you feeling low? Understand this is normal for this time of year. Everyone to some extent experiences post-Christmas and New Year blues. Start looking at January as the opportunity to start new things and new projects. Set yourself realistic goals. Tip number 1. After the Christmas decorations have been packed and put away for another year, your home has a tendency to look tired and a bit worn. If you don't feel like painting a full room, still get the paintbrush out and touch up any scrapes and marks. Even doing this will make a great difference to the overall appearance of your home. Tip number 2. Purge the pantry cupboard. Get rid of any out-of-date products as well as any remaining Christmas food. Tip number 3. Money is usually tight during January. However, don't let that stop you from taking an interest in your home. You don't always have to be buying new stuff to enjoy it. Tip number 4. Make a list of the areas of your home that need decluttered. Start with a few small drawers and work yourself up to the more time-consuming areas. I always find that once you get the first little project completed, it will inject motivation in you to get more done. Remember, start small. Tip number 5. Keep fit and stay active. Joining a gym is an excellent start to the new year. Unfortunately, this costs money. Instead, how about starting a daily commitment to walk your dog? How could you say no to this cute face? Not everyone has a dog, but you can still make that commitment to yourself and get into nature each day. Coming home to a lovely hot latte coffee after your walk can be a great mood booster on its own. Tip 6. Watch what you eat. Limit your takeouts to once a week. Making a food plan will not only save you money, but it will be much healthier for you in the long run. Before you know it, January will have come and gone, and in no time at all it will be spring.